Hello and welcome back to another LA English Academy video lesson. Today, we're going to talk about some spoken English words, and we're going to focus on greetings and the questions, how are you and how are you doing? So, let's go ahead and go through the questions and talk about how they are pronounced when we say them in conversations. On the left side, we have questions, and on the right side, we have answers. Today, we're going to start with the question, how are you? How are you is a very common question in English. And the answer is, I am fine, I am good, I am great. Now, when we speak English, oftentimes we do not pronounce every single sound because we want to say the question as fast as we can in order to improve the speed of the conversation. So how are you becomes how are ya? How are ya? So you becomes ya. And the answer can change to I'm fine, or in some cases, fine. Now, with both of these questions, any answer is okay. So if I say, how are ya? I can say, I am fine. That's okay. So let's practice this conversation real quick, starting with the question, how are ya? Let's say it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. How are ya? I am fine. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. I'm fine. Okay? Next question is very similar to the first. It's how are you doing? How are you doing? And the answer is I am doing good. I am doing fine. I'm doing great. Now, let's go ahead and practice how to pronounce the word in conversation. It sounds like, how are you doing? How are you doing? I'll say it again slowly. How are you doing? Okay, let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. How are you doing? Let's say it one more time. 3, 2, 1. How are you doing? So the answer, I'm doing good, becomes I'm doing good or doing good. So let's practice this conversation. Let's say this question together. 3, 2, 1. How are you doing? This answer right here. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. I'm doing good. Now, in a previous video, we talked about the question, what about you? What about you sounds like, what about you in conversation. So let's practice this real quick. What about you? 3, 2, 1. What about you? And then the conversation goes back to the person on this side. Thank you for watching our first video on spoken English. We will be making more videos like this in the future. If you have any recommendations or questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we hope to answer your questions and help you become more fluent English speakers. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.